Welcome to TruthQuest. Manchester United's search for a midfielder to replace Casemiro has taken a new turn. Today, we are discussing the Red Devils' latest target, Atalanta's Ederson. Ederson, the 25-year-old Brazilian midfielder, has impressed in Serie A with his exceptional passing range and vision. He could be the perfect fit for Manchester United's midfield. With Casemiro's departure, Manchester United need a reliable midfielder to partner with Christian Eriksen. Ederson's arrival could bring stability and creativity to the Red Devils' midfield. According to football journalist Alfred Padua, Manchester United have submitted a bid of around £42.6 million to secure Ederson's services. Could this be the signing that strengthens Manchester United's midfield? Current information about Ederson: Age, 25. Nationality, Brazilian. Position, midfielder. Current club, Atalanta. Transfer value, £42.6 million. Reported. Thanks for watching TruthQuest. Ederson's potential move to Manchester United could be a game changer for the Red Devils. Stay tuned for more transfer updates and football news.